Hey everybody, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2020, yes, 2020 Forestriver Cherokee Arctic Wolf 285 RLD4. We're going to take a few minutes and walk you around the inside and outside of this rear living room fifth wheel. This is a half-ton towable fifth wheel that is designed again by the Forestriver Cherokee lineup. This is the Arctic Wolf brand. Looking toward the rear of the coach, you can see you got a nice big pantry there, freestanding dinette and 4 chairs. Sofa across the back section there does fold out and make into a bed. There's USB charger ports and electric outlets on both sides of that sofa. Nice big windows. Ceiling fan in the ceiling, ducted air conditioner. This particular unit was ordered with 2 ACs. They do have little blue accent LED lights that you're kind of seeing there. I have them turned on, but you can turn those off separately. On the left side of the dinette slide out there, you have an electric fireplace, which is basically an electric heater. There's an electric outlet also down there. Your DVD stereo system right there, and TV hookups. The TV is actually in the box there. We haven't had a chance to put it up. This unit is actually sold. Customer was super excited to actually see their camper, so they wanted me to hurry up and do a quick video on it so they could check it out when it got in here tonight. So it's a little dark outside and inside. I apologize. They wanted to see their camper pretty quickly, so I'm doing it a little more in the dark. Theater seat here, and the theater seat does have the little heat and massage feature with the lighted cup holder, and there's also LED light on the bottom part of the theater seating. Roller shades on your windows. Nice big window too behind the theater seat there. It does actually open. Same thing on the window of the rear of the coach. So you can let a lot of cross breeze come in and out of this camper on a nice fall night or spring morning. It's kind of nice. You can let a lot of fresh air roll through here versus just having to use the air conditioner on the 90-degree days. Traditional microwave stovetop cover. It's a glass stovetop cover there. Has the upgraded Furrion stove with the glass front, lighted LED handles, and also the light inside the oven. Nice feature there. So if you are a cook and like to use the RV oven, there's a little push button right there to turn that light on, and it folds down here and you can get inside there a little bit and see what's in there. But you can do that now because of this glass door with the light and kind of see without having to open the oven all the time when you're cooking. Residential refrigerator, standard on the coach. They're currently using LG. Swing this open here. This is a 12 cubic foot stainless front refrigerator. Freezer on the bottom. And I haven't unpacked all this stuff yet, but they have little slide out drawers here. You do have some shelves there on the refrigerator door frame. Controls for it up there on the top. It's a pretty nice refrigerator for an RV this size. Island kitchen. You have 2 drawers, and then you have some shelf space underneath there. 1 large sink. High-rise faucet there. There's a USB charger there. Your electric box with your breakers and fuses are right there. Propane leak detector right there. And we'll open this up here so you kind of see your big pantry area here, whatever you want to use that for. You got kind of a good amount of storage there. It's probably about 5 inches deep roughly. And you also have this big area over here, which is huge for storage space. Sink cover for the sink is down there on the floor, but you have a lot of storage space back there to cram all kinds of stuff. It even kind of goes back at an angle there. And there are lights in here too. And you can see the cable and satellite hookups, electric outlet for the TV are all located right there. So basically the wires feed through the hole there and plug in to the pantry area. A lot of linoleum floor throughout the coach. So all this area down here, linoleum. Same thing on the kitchen area over there, all linoleum. And you do have some carpet over here at the dinette table area. Going up to the front of the coach, you're going to walk into the bathroom area. You have wood steps going up, linoleum into the bathroom section there. Handle there, and you have your light switches, water heater on gas switch, water pump switch, living room lights, awning lights, a lot of light switches here, slide out buttons, awning button, inverter button, downstairs air conditioner, furnace control, and your monitor panels here for all that stuff. Now up here you will find your auto level control here. So this is something that you'll have some instructions here, kind of explain to you how it works. Tells you like your battery condition, your jacks up and down, auto mode. So this will get into more detail when you come to pick up your coach. Bathroom area again, linoleum. Got a decent sized sink, light switch there, electric ground fault breaker, good sized medicine cabinet there. The area over there is where you can walk into the bedroom from the bathroom if you want. It has a sliding pocket door. I'll walk on through here, spin around here. Let you look at it from this angle. You have the porcelain foot flush toilet there. Now up above, you do have a big turbo exhaust fan up there. Skylight for the shower area, the glass enclosure. Don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe if you're interested in keeping up with more of my videos on these new campers. Toll-free number if you're interested in purchasing one and would like to talk with me about that. 888-417-8299. My direct extension, 203. Again, Ray with Couch's RV Nation. We are one of the largest internet wholesale dealers in the country. We'll definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV. Now in the bedroom area here, you have a traditional queen bed, but the bed does actually raise up. There is a button up there to raise and lower the headboard of the bed. And on the left-hand side there, you have USB charger. You also have an electric outlet. Now, when the bed is in up mode, you have more room to maneuver around the bedroom area here. There's also TV hookups on the wall right there for a small TV, so you could watch TV in the bedroom. The controls up on the roof there, and air conditioner control, some light switches there. Now walking over to this side of the bed, there's an electric outlet on that side too, and you can see the little LED reading lights there. You have a blue light on that side, clear light on that side. You can hit the button and make it go both ways. Again, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're interested in keeping up with more of my videos. Again, Ray, Couch's RV Nation, toll-free number, 888-417-8299, direct extension 203. Thanks for checking out my videos, and don't forget to subscribe. All right, guys, we are now on the outside of this new 2020 Arctic Wolf 285 DRL4 fifth wheel. Again, 3 slide outs. We have a white fiberglass cap on the front, 2 LED light strips built in there. You can also see the second air conditioner up on the front part of the roof here. 2 airs is an available option depending on what part of the country you're in. You may really need that. Electric front stabilizer jacks have the large foot pads and the quick pull pins to drop the feet down there. You have a storage compartment in the front section. To the right of that is your front jack button and your LED cap lights. And down here you can see the battery disconnect and battery area. And you have some storage room there. Looking down the side, the door side here, you can see power awning. Has the blue LED light strip in it. Upgraded MORryde step going in and out. Large folding entry handle there at the door. And the unit has a propane tank on each side. They're 20-pound propane tanks, one on this side and one on the other. Your regulator to flip bottles is right there. Furrion pre-wire for solar prep right here. And then you have storage compartment here. Has an upgraded slam lock baggage door on it. They have the little pet leash hook thing here. This one was ordered with the optional portable ice maker thing. You don't have to get that, but that is an available option. Then you have pass-through storage. The inverter for the residential refrigerators right there. You can also see aluminum framing there, and that is welded. Has the extra insulation package. Aluminum wheels. There's outdoor TV hookups right there, along with 2 speakers. And the speakers you can see are lit up blue. We'll back up here a little bit so you can get a better view of the outside here. You can see both air conditioners, one on each end of the coach. Just in front of the back air conditioner there is the wine guard thing there for TV antenna stuff. On the back, we have a fold-down rack, and this also has the outside grill feature. There's a little mount right there, and there is an outside hookup down here for the gas grill. I know it's a little dark out at the moment, but you can kind of see underneath there, full enclosed underbelly. LED taillights, pre-wired for the backup camera. The roof does have an arch to it for better water runoff. Power cord hooks up on the rear corner here. Also have an outside utility shower there, hot and cold water. The stove exhaust up there on the side of the coach. And back around here, you have the dumping area down here for your gray and black tanks. You got your handles down there. 6-gallon gas electric water heater. Black tank flush, city water hookup, cable satellites, and freshwater tank fill. All located right here. And the other side of your storage compartment area here. The other propane tank behind that door there. And on the stickers here, you'll find some basic information about the camper too. And what we got here is 225/75 R15 E-range tires on the camper, 80 pounds air pressure, 2 5,100-pound axles. The gross vehicle weight of the camper, 9,900 pounds. That's the most you can load the camper to before you risk breaking things. So keep that in mind. We'll get to the dry weight of the camper when we get back around to that door side sticker there. Has gutters running down both sides of the camper, and it has the 3-inch gutter extensions to help shed away that water. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you are interested in keeping up with more of my videos. I'll definitely be able to sell you one of these units at a much greater discounted price than most dealers. Toll-free number, 888-417-8299, extension 203. Here you can also find your VIN number, and you can also find your carrying capacity, 1,537 pounds. Over on the other sticker here, on this side, you will see a dry weight sticker, 8,325 pounds. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're interested in keeping up with more of my videos as these new models start to roll in here. This is one of the first 2020 titled campers we've had roll in, and they will all start rolling in, mostly 2020s from here on out. The RV industry likes to make their change early April, and then they'll make their product change usually around August and September. If you've watched some of my other videos before, you will hear me talk about this. Year change roughly April, product change roughly August and September. So keep that in mind as you are looking to pick up your new camper. Toll-free number again, 888-417-8299, extension 203. Ray here at Couch's RV Nation.